Now the second task, as I used the key event, let's make our panda move using our keyboard. Let me remove these program. You just need to click it. You just need to take it from the script area and drop it in the blocks area to remove it. I will erase all, use the program here, and I'll put our panda to 0, 0. So the first 4 events will be duplicating our 4 keys. So our first key will be up, down, right and left. Here in emotion, instead of move, we are going to move in X and Y direction. So we change our X axis for right and left and change our Y axis for up and down. So up arrow gives positive, down arrow is -10, right arrow is positive, left arrow is -10. So we moved by 10 pixels. So we go into full screen, up arrow, right arrow, down arrow, left arrow. It is working. Now let's connect our pen. For that we'll have 2 more programs, which is up. We'll have 3 programs to erase it. So we have to give pen is up. We give it the letter U, and pen down is D, and fully to erase all is E. We go to pen down is D, pen up is U, erase all is E. Then my full screen, I press D and I move. I can see my panda drawing, and I press U, it stops drawing. I press E, it is all clear. You can also view this in our without the full screen. Whenever I click my right arrow, the right arrow program executes, up arrow executes, down arrow and left arrow. Then when I press down, it highlights the program and I can draw. You can draw beautiful stairs, and I can also press U to get it, take my pen up, and E to erase it. So this is how you do basic movements with Sprite.